I'm making a small little trolley for my magic house, and I've just taken some 0.8 copper wire and folded it in half, and then just wrapped the two pieces together like that. And then I've cut out two small pieces of cardboard, which are 2 centimeters wide, about 3.5 centimeters long, and I've just used toothpicks and cut those at 2 centimeters. I've got some small little beads and 4 sequins, and for these ones I've just curled my little piece of wire, and these ones are all cut at 3 centimeters. And now we can start assembling it. I'm using T8000 to glue these little pieces together. And do the same on the other side. I've got some findings and a toothpick, which I'm going to be painting the toothpick gold and then gluing the findings on. I put an extra little bar across there to stabilize it. I've added the 4 sequins to make the little wheels. So there's my little trolley, and now we can decorate it. I've decorated my little trolley by adding just a few books and some transistors, a little globe, crystal ball, a book with some wands on it, and a nice little goblet. So that's going to be going into my enchanted house. Thank you so much for watching.